Super Typhoon Karding, international name Noru, pounded Luzon with strong winds and heavy rain that forced hundreds of people to flee their homes. The storm was packing maximum standard winds of 195 kilometers an hour as it charged toward Luzon after an unprecedented explosive intensification. Karding, the strongest storm to hit the Philippines this year, made landfall in Burdeos town, Polillo Islands. Over 79,000 people have been displaced from their homes.
We attend to the basics, again, food, water, shelter, they need clothes, all of these things. And then the DSWD is also prepared to provide IX for them, for those that are going to, they will need assistance. So the whole range of assistance is prepared, is ready to go. But right now, having cash is really not very useful for them. So unahin natin yung mga immediate needs nila, and then when the time comes na magagamit na nila yung AX, bibigay natin sa kanila. From my experience, pagka nasa local government ka, lalo na just after a typhoon, marami silang trabaho. Pag bumaba ako, kailangan nila ako i-welcome, kailangan ng yung pulis sa akin, kailangan kukunin ko yung mga sasakyan nila. So, ang dami nilang kailangan gawin. So, makaka-istorbo lang ako. The time will come, we'll talk to them and see what else they need after the immediate emergency support.